Now we discuss the conditional statements. In C language, we are using two types of conditional statement, that is if and there is switch case. Two conditional statement, one is the if and there is switch case. Okay? If, as you know in the English language, if means if have some condition and that condition have some true or some false value. Okay? So the syntax of if statement is if open parenthesis the condition close parenthesis then true statement. Okay? Sometimes the condition having some false value, so at that time we can use else. Okay? Else false statement. Okay? Now this true statement or false statement may be a single statement or may be more than one statement. If the statements are more than one, then we have to enclose between the open curly braces and close curly braces. Okay? If there is a single statement, then no need any curly braces. Clear? So let an example of this syntax. All of you know the even number and odd number? Yes? Let us write a program. Write a program to check an input number is even or odd. Okay? So write a program to check an input number is even or odd. So how to write? Hash include stdio.hash void main open curly braces. How much variables require? Only one variable. Let n printf display one information, enter a number, then scanf %d ampersand n. Okay? Now I have the value. Now how to check the number is even or odd? Divide the number by 2, find out the remainder and check the remainder is 0 or some others. If the remainder is 0, then it is the even. If other, then it is a odd. Okay? So how to write it? If n, to find out the remainder, we have a operator that is percentile. Okay? We already discussed this one in previous video. And more or less 2 equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, then printf %d is even number. Else printf %d is odd number. Then close the curly braces. Clear? See, always the conditional operators are not not terminated by semicolon. Clear? Where the sequential statements are terminated by semicolon. Clear? So, if this condition is true, then this two section will be executed. If this condition is false, then this statement will be executed. Clear? So, let an example output. Let the user input 11. See what happened? N equal to 11. 11 modulus 2. What is the value? 1. Is that 1 equal to 0? No. That means false. So it will go to the false statement. It displays percentage D is odd number. So percentage D is replaced with the value of N, that is the 11. So 11 is odd number. Clear? Now you clear about the if else syntax. Next, the if condition have another syntax that is called nested if. Nested if means inside the body of the if statement we use another if statement. Okay? So the if statement may be written inside the true part or maybe in false part. So the syntax is if condition within the true part, either we write another if statements else statements else if condition statements else statements. So there is not compulsory to write in the both the section the if. Either you can write inside the if or you can write inside the else, or you may be write both if and a true part and false part. Okay? So if you write any if condition inside another if condition, that is comes under the nested if. Clear? So let one example. Write a program to find the greatest number among three numbers. Okay. So there are different types of solutions are available. So let I check the simple one. I take the simple one. Hash include stdio.h void main. I declare 4 variable, 3 variable for 3 number, and I take another variable that is L to store the greatest number. Okay. Printf enter 3 numbers, scanf %d, %d and %d, comma %a, %p and %c. Okay. Now to find the largest number, what I will do? If a greater than b. Okay, I write if a greater than b, then in the true part, again I check if a greater than c, then n equal to a. Okay, else L equal to what? C. Okay. I continue here. Else, if A here, if the condition is true, then A is the greater. If the condition is false, then B is the greater. So I check. If the B is greater than from C, then large equal to B, else large equal to C. Okay? So this is the true section, this is the false section. After that, printf greatest number is percentile D, that is the L, and close the curly braces. Clear? Again I repeat, I take the 4 variables, first 3 variables to read the numbers. After that I check if the first number is greater than from the second number, then again I check the first number with the third number. If this is true and also this is true, then the large equal to first number. Otherwise, the large equal to third number. Okay. If this condition is false, that means the first number is not greater than from the second number, then the second number is the largest. Now check. The second number is greater than from the third number. If yes, then large equal to second number. Otherwise, the large equal to third number. And after the if condition, I display the greatest number equal to the value of L. Clear? So this is nested if. Now one more syntax is available for the if, that is called ladder. If else ladder. Ladder means CDR. Okay. So CD में क्या होता है? Repeated number of steps होता है. So similar in the if else ladder there are number of ifs are there, number of conditions are there. Okay. So how to write those? The syntax is if condition, this is the first condition, check. If the condition is true, then execute the statements. If this condition is false, then else, and I write another condition. If this is true, then statements, otherwise another condition. Similarly, I can write number of conditions, and if all the conditions are false, then I go to the else statement. Okay, so in this syntax, first check this condition. If this condition is true, execute the true part and go out of the if. If this condition is false, then it check the next condition. If this condition is true, then execute the statements and go out of the if. If this is false, then go to the next condition, and similarly it is continue. If all the conditions are false, then it will execute this else statements. Clear? Let one example. You see in the real life, nowadays all the exams are give the grade. Okay? All the exams give the grade system. How they give the grade? If any students get more than 90, then he has the grade A. Okay? If the mark is greater than 80 and less than equal to 90, then the grade is D. If the mark is greater than from 70 and less than equal to 80, then the grade is C. If the mark is greater than 60 and less than equal to 70, then the grade is D. And if the mark is greater than 50 and less than equal to 60, then the grade is E. And if the mark is less than 50, then it is fail. Okay? So nowadays all the educations are used the grade system. So this is the mark condition and this is the grade system. Okay? So let we write the program for this. As include stdio.h void main. What do you need? We need a mark and represent the mark using grade. So we need two variables. One is the mark and another is grade. The grade is character data type. Okay? Printf enter mark scanner %d ampersand mark. Okay? Then I write if the mark is greater than 90, then grade equal to A. Okay? Else if mark is greater than from 80, then grade equal to B. Else if mark is greater than from 70, then grade equal to C. Clear? Else if mark greater than from 60, then grade equal to D. As if mark is greater than from 50, then grade equal to E. As grade equal to F. Okay? Now the condition is over. After that I write printf grade equal to %c, the variable grade. Okay, close it. See, now this if condition, first check. If the condition is true, then the grade is A. Otherwise, it check this condition. If this is false, then check this condition, and similar one by one it is continue. If all the condition is false, then finally the grade is fail. Okay? So let an example, check the output. First, let the user input the mark 92. Okay? If the input is 92, what is the output? Check. If the 92 is greater than 90? Yes. Then what is the grade? A. Then it will not check any other condition. Directly go out of the if. Now what is the grade? A. Clear? Let us take another example. 73. What is the grade? Check this condition. Is greater than 90? No. So that means condition false. Go next. Is greater than 80? No. Condition false. Next. Greater than 70? Yes. It is greater than 70. If true, then what is the grade? C. So output is C. Okay. Let the mark entry is 49. What happened? Check, it is condition true? No. This condition true? No. This condition true? No. This condition? No. This condition? No. So all the conditions are false. Next it will go to the else part. What is the grade? F. That means grade. So hope all of you understand the if syntax. 4 types of if syntax. If, only true section. If, true section, else, false section. Nested if and else if ladder. Clear?